helping all the kids.
I like being a teller at Bowling Green Student Bank because I like meeting new people.
I like being a teller because I can help the kids and I get to count the money, and I love doing the math involved with it.
So I think that Rolling Green Bank, along with the First American, where we team together, is a really good thing. Not only do the kids learn how to save money, they learn those financial literacy skills that they are taught in the classroom. So they're getting more than just what's in the classroom. And they are not only putting money away, they're also making money. And kids love when they hear they get to make money.